Hey guys, this is Corey with Custom RV in Amarillo, Texas, and today I have a brand new arrival to show you. This is the 2021.5 Salem FSX model 178BHSKX. This particular bunkhouse travel trailer comes in at 4,143 pounds as we see it here today, and is 22 feet 11 inches in overall length. We're going to do an interior and exterior walk-around video tour today and talk about some of the awesome features and show you all the ins and outs of this compact bunkhouse travel trailer. Let's go ahead and we'll jump on to the inside and we'll start in the living and kitchen area. Alright guys, so we're on the inside of this brand new Salem FSX model 178BHSKX. And man, that model number is a mouthful. But anyway, so we'll go ahead and we'll start in the living area. So first thing we're looking at is the booth dinette. This is a big U-shaped dinette, so you can seat the whole family around it, play cards, eat a meal, you know, whatever. This is also the new interior colors. This is called Cyber. It's a real light gray color on the cabinetry, and then you have kind of darker vinyl material there. This will turn into a bed, and we'll take a look at the storage in a minute, but one thing I do want to mention is you do have no carpet in this trailer whatsoever, including in the slide out. And that is so incredibly smart, because the one place where the kiddos are going to drop food is at the table, and you wouldn't want carpet there. As you can see, you have a nice big window there. You can kind of see out through it. We have the pleated nightshade pulled down for privacy. Over here, you're going to have your thermostat for your furnace, as well as a USB port, which is nice. And then if you did want to add a TV, you could add one right there, and you have the appropriate connections up top. This is going to have a non-central air conditioner. What I mean by that is it's not ducted. I believe this one was equipped with the 15K AC. Which is nice. And then if we come forward just a little bit, you'll notice you have a nice powered vent fan. This is going to help exhaust some of the heat from cooking, which is, again, really nice. And then up there, this is a new change they started doing. Because of the Murphy bed, which I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute, down, they've gone away from a pleated nightshade there to a roller shade, which is really nice. It's not going to get caught up on the bed mechanism as much. But the cool thing about a Murphy bed is it's the only way to get a sofa and a dinette in a trailer this short. Typically, when you get a sofa, dinette, and a front bed, you're going to be in a trailer that's about 30 to 33 feet long. So this gives you extra space when you need it, especially on like a rainy day or something. You're also going to notice no heat vents in the floor. You have a single furnace right there, direct fire. You're also going to have your breakers and fuses right here. And then if we come over here, you'll notice that you have your awning and slide out controls, water pump, water heater control, that's on gas. And then you have a couple of lighting controls, your tank monitoring panel. And then this particular unit has a brand new option. If we look down here, you'll notice this box. This is part of their new extended power package. So this is a 30 amp charge controller. This is paired with a 190 watt solar panel that is already on the trailer. That's how I'm running the lights. I don't have a jump pack on this one, which is really nice. So 190 watts. It also comes with a battery. Again, this is so nice. We're going to start equipping all of our Salem FSXs this way. So please let me know some feedback. Do you like this? Would you pay a little bit more for it? Would you like us to still bring some in without this package? I'm curious, and we'd really love some of your feedback. All right, guys. Last thing before we take a look at the storage and the kitchen, I do want to talk about the bunks. So this is one of the very few trailers that has true double over double bunk beds in this trailer or in this size of trailer at 22 feet 11 inches. So you'll notice on the top here you have dual windows, one on the back, one on the side. Each kid is going to have a USB port as well as a light. And then if we drop down here, you'll notice same thing. Nice big bunk bed. You do lose a window, but you still have one that opens, which is really nice. And then under here you have a place where you can set a dog bed or something like that, extra, toys, bags, whatever. So I really like this as well. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap it up for the main living area. Let's go ahead now and we'll take a look at all this storage, and we'll show you what that looks like. Alright guys, so I've got all the storage opened up, and if we take a look down here, you'll notice you have good storage under the dinette. You have storage on both sides, as you can see there. If we come over here to the kitchen proper, and we'll start this way and kind of work our way back, this has a standard 11 cubic foot 12 volt DC compressor fridge freezer combo. So as you can see, you have plenty of room in the fridge and the freezer. This will work off of that 190 watt solar panel, which is really cool. It's very efficient as well. It's rated at 9 to 10 amps when it's cooling, 3 amps when it's down to temperature. And one thing I really like about the EverChill version that they're using is you have this handy little travel lock that flips around so that the doors don't come flying open when you're going down the road. Right here you're going to have a little bit of storage. This shelf is removable, so if you need some taller items in there, you can do that. All pressed membrane thermofoil style countertops. You're also going to have the one basin sink, so a single basin. You're going to have the high-rise faucet there. 2-burner cooktop by Furrion. You do have the little blue lights, and as you can see there is your cooktop. Single drawer. No kitchen is complete without a drawer. And then down here you have a pretty good amount of storage right there. This is for things like your water pump and water heater and stuff down in this compartment. So that is going to wrap it up for the storage in the living and kitchen area. Let's go ahead and I'll put the Murphy bed down and we'll see what that looks like. Okay guys, so real quick, I do want to show you how this Murphy bed works. So first thing you'll do is remove these 2 cushions just like so, and I'll stash those kind of out of the way. Then over here you have this bullet latch, so that just comes down, and this out of the way. So you've got your platform here, and then this mattress. It is a bendy bed, but well, there we go. Apparently that sheet fits too tight. But that is what the mattress will look like when it is down. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and pick this camera up here. So as you can see, you still have plenty of room to get in and out of the door if you need to. You'll have household and USB outlets on both sides of the bed. Right here, you're going to have a hanging closet. It's small, but it still does work. And this is a 60 by 74 inch camper queen, by the way. There's not really a way to extend it at all. And then you've got some great storage up here. You could maybe put some of the kids' clothes up there, or really whatever you want. So this they call their Jiffy bed. It's really a Murphy bed. That's just their clever marketing name for it. But it's really a space efficient design. I really like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And who knows, your feedback. Apparently I can't talk today. Your feedback may inspire a new floor plan or something. Alright guys, let's go ahead and we'll spin back around here and we'll take a look at the bathroom. And it's really a pretty good bathroom for a small camper. I really like it. We'll see what you think. Alright guys, so stepping into the bathroom, first thing you'll notice, you have a shower, not a travel trailer tub. I'm 6'2", I can barely fit under that power vent fan there. I really wish that would have been a skylight, but I get it, this is a little bit cheaper camper. I do like that they are using the ABS plastic surround instead of just the wallboard. Over here you've got a medicine cabinet, and I really like how tall those lips are, and that does have a mirror. Thermofoil pressed membrane countertops. You've got a GFI protected outlet. And then if we open this down here, you'll notice a little bit of extra storage there as well. And pretty decent counter space. And I like that this is on an angle so you don't have to stand out in the middle of the living area when you're using the sink and stuff, which is really nice. Okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for the interior of the 2021.5 Salem FSX model 178BHSKX. Let's go ahead and we'll jump onto the outside and we'll take a look at some of the features there. All right guys, so we're on the outside of this brand new Salem FSX model 178. So as you can see, this is in the Platinum package. So what that means for you is the sidewalls and rear wall are going to be a fiberglass instead of an aluminum sided trailer. The front nose sweep here is still a smooth aluminum, so keep that in mind. This particular trailer also has another brand new optional piece of equipment, being a power tongue jack. Again, I'd like your feedback. If you could, let us know what you think about this, if you'd like to see this in future builds. You also have a single 20-pound propane tank, and then you're going to have a battery right there. Coming around over here, ooh, that voice crack was awful. Anyways, you have a nice storage compartment, goes way back there, again, which is really nice, something that I really like. Right here you can see your slide out, and over here, oh, real quick, one thing I do want to talk about, you do have 4 corner stabilizer jacks. They're manual instead of 2. A lot of the competition in these smaller classes are doing 2 stabilizer jacks. If we look down underneath here, you'll notice the brand new accessibility panels. So it's an enclosed underbelly, which is really nice. If we come back around here, you'll notice here's your dump valve area, your rear stabilizer jacks. You're going to have your city water connection, your black tank flush, your 30 amp detachable power cord, and then you've got your cable and satellite hookup right here. Spare tire and spare tire carrier right there. And then if we look up top, you'll notice you have a prep for a backup camera up there. You're also going to have on the other side of this spare tire, and I apologize, we're kind of tight in here today, you have an outside shower with hot and cold water, which is really nice. Right here, you're going to have a nice power awning with LED lights, which I don't have turned on currently. And then you've got an outside kitchen. Again, we're kind of packed in here today, but you have a nice griddle, and I apologize for road noise, we're right next to I-40. You have a griddle, and then you're going to have an exterior refrigerator, which is really nice. Exterior power outlet right here. You're gonna have your 6-gallon gas water heater right there, and then your freshwater fill is right there, and then the back of your furnace. They do use a exterior grab handle, which is really nice, a bigger one, and then you have a friction door, which is pretty cool. Normally you would have a solar prep plug here, but because this one has the extended power package with that 190 watt solar panel, that specific port is deleted now. All right guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2021.5 Salem FSX model 178BHSKX. If you're interested in a travel trailer like this, feel free to post any questions in the comment section down below. You can also give me a call at 806-335-2336, or you can shoot me an email at contact@custom-rv.com. If you enjoy this video and you'd like to see more of our content, if you could do me a favor and hit that like button down below, and please consider subscribing. We've got a lot of really cool units coming, stuff I think a lot of people are really going to like, and if you subscribe, that's the way you'll be notified that we've got new units coming in and coming out, and you'll get to see all of our latest content. Again guys, at Custom RV, We don't do hidden dealer fees. We'll leave that up to the big box dealers. And we know that RVs are made for women, so men can go camping. All right, guys, again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you again very soon.